where silence has space and luxury feels effortless. A retreat designed to breathe with the mountains. Warmth isn't just felt, it's seen. Crafted moments of comfort wake above the world, where mornings unfold in stillness and every breath feels lighter. Designed for restoration, a private sanctuary where nature and serenity meet. When the world grows quiet, this is where you return.
Where stillness stretches to the horizon and time slows to a breath.
Shelter reimagined. A warm refuge against the raw beauty of the mountains. As day fades, the retreat awakens, glowing quietly against the night.
This is not an escape. It's where you arrive. Not built to dominate nature, but to belong to it.